We're going to need vanilla extract, strawberry jam, 1 egg, almond extract, sugar, flour and butter. Take your KitchenAid and add your butter, add your sugar, add your flour. We're going to mix on a low speed so it's incorporated. Place your dough into your cling film. Place a little bit of flour onto your board and we're going to use half of the cookie dough, so just break it and we're going to put the other half back into the fridge. I'm going to roll it out. We're going to cut cookies out of the dough, just like that. Add strawberry jam into each cookie. And then place another layer of the cookie on top and just seal it on both sides. Use a small toothpick and prick a few holes on top. This is going to give us this effect of blood. Take a toothpick and we're just going to add strawberry jam just around on top into these holes.